Hey guys, a new tutorial. I will show you how to install the Kali Linux 2019.2. So first let's download. So open this link, you will find it on the description of the video, and then choose your image which you need. So I need Kali Linux 64 byte, but if your architect needs 32, so choose this version, and then you can download via HTTP or torrent. So if you want directly, click on HTTP and it will start to download, and I will cancel because I had already download. Okay, and then I will install it on virtual box, but it is the same. You will find also on the description of the video a video which show you how to create bootable USB. So just put your USB on Kali Linux 2019.2 and then follow the same step which I will do now. Okay, so let's start. Create new machine. Kali Linux 2019.2 and next. For the RAM I will give 4 GB and create VDI. Dynamic allocation I will give for the disk 30 GB. Okay, 31, and double click, and now give the location for the ISO image for Kali Linux, and start, and choose install with graphical install. Enter and waiting. Choose the language, I will choose English. Okay, select your location, for example United States, continue. Configure the keyboard. I prefer French AZERTY, but choose which you want. Okay, host name, for example empty software, and continue. Domain name I don't have, so continue, but if you have a domain you can define it. Okay, choose a root password, and you can choose password in clear, and re-enter password for verification, and continue. Okay, configure the clock, waiting. Getting the time from network time server. For example, choose your time zone, Eastern or Central or Mountain, and continue. Okay, partition disk, git use enter disk, entire disk, continue. And separate home partition, and continue. And yes, to write the change for the disk, and it start to partition disk. Okay, use a network mirror now, and continue. Install the grub bootloader to the master boot record, yes, and continue. And click here and click on continue. Also continue. Okay, the installation is finished, so let's log in with the username root, and next, and type the password. Okay, this is Kali Linux. Let's check the version together. Open terminal and LSP release. And this is the release version 2019.2. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.